Take command of the road in the 2012 Chevrolet Traverse. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear parking sensors, and seat memory. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.